Thanks for joining us once again. Another property. So this is for cleaning to get a property ready for staging, right? So what we're gonna do is take all this dust, all the dust off, clean the window sill, all that, the surfaces. We're gonna take the dust off this, right? So all this is gonna get cleaned out. All this right here, all this right here is gonna get cleaned out. So that's this property. It's new construction. So see all that. We're gonna have to wipe all that stuff off. Take the plastic off. So that's what we do. Take the plastic off everything, right? This tiles. When the people move in and they request a moving cleaning, we're gonna steam clean it. But right now, we're just gonna take, you see how dusty this is? Just gonna clean all that. So this, same thing. You're gonna remove all the plastic from inside here, right? We're gonna clean the surfaces, the door handles. We're gonna clean that. So just make it presentable for the next, for showing, make it presentable for showing. So if you are a contractor or you're a real estate agent, like all this, we're gonna take all the plastic off, or you're a real estate agent and you need your property cleaned out so it's maintained, give us a call. You could tell us the parameters of how you want us to go. There's no water in this. Okay, gotta figure that one out. Then this is right here. So this, we're going to remove the plastic on the door. So remove that. And then over here, same thing, clean it up. So that's about it. Another closet over here. So just the surface of it. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. There is another bathroom. This is the utility area. I believe, yes, this is a small bathroom here. So this also get cleaned out. All the dust that's in here. See all this? We're gonna clean all this dust out. Everything, all that, right? So if you ever need a good cleaning to maintain your property before you stage it, or you show it, if you are a developer or you're a contractor or you're a real estate agent and you're looking for a good cleaning, yes, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please, if this is helpful, send us a note, give us a comment, let us know. Thanks a lot. Have a great one.